Are you ready to witness unprecedented power? Today, we will explore the most modern, fastest, and most efficient wood splitting machines on the market. From advanced hydraulic technology to intelligent automation systems, these machines will leave you in awe. Get ready to witness a revolution in the wood industry. Wow, this wood splitter has up to 2 splitting streams. Very impressive. This is like a miniature modern wood splitting factory. The Q system lines up the logs waiting to be processed. Each log is fed into a high-efficiency cutting and splitting process. With this dual splitting stream, it won't be long before the logs are finished processing. The 42-ton power combined with a 48 GPM hydraulic system creates a top-notch log splitter. It quickly handles even the largest logs. Six-way splitting technology turns logs into uniform firewood in an instant. Efficiency is many times higher than conventional machines. Wow, has wood splitting technology advanced this far? Modern machinery makes the job easier than ever before. Just put the log in, and the machine will automatically cut it into small, even pieces. It's really impressive and convenient. This giant wood splitter is truly impressive. Powerful capacity, able to easily process even large logs. Flexible design allows movement to anywhere, both efficient and convenient for professional wood splitting work. The design of this drill is truly amazing. With a sturdy and compact frame that's easy to move, the flexible drive system can connect to tractor vehicles. Let's watch the perfect performance of this wood splitting device. Wow, do you see that? The wood is cut smoothly in the blink of an eye. This is a high-capacity industrial wood splitter that integrates the full wood splitting process into a single system. The logs are stacked, cut, split, and conveyed through a smooth and efficient processing flow. Splitting this huge pile of large wood logs with a tiny mini wood splitter, these are truly the boldest people. Let's watch this impressive demonstration. This machine is splitting wood in a very special way, all taking place inside a single tube. The skilled operator inserts the log, stands it upright, and uses gravity to move the log after each cut. It's truly impressive. I can't take my eyes off this unique design. How about you? Please share your thoughts. This is a wood splitting device integrated into the arm of an excavator. The smart design helps split large logs easily and quickly. If you already have an excavator, this device is an ideal choice for your wood splitting work. Let me introduce you to this special portable wood splitter, a design that is no less unique. The splitting blade moves vertically and splits in half anything that stands in its way. Please check out this interesting homemade wood splitter. The design and operation are simple, but it works very smoothly and efficiently. Machinery has made wood splitting easier than ever before. And moreover, the fascinating operation is like a game. Simple, compact, easy to operate. That's how this log splitter can be described. But the piles of firewood lying around speak to its effectiveness. Truly impressive with both the person and machine here. I can't take my eyes off these beautiful pieces of wood being continuously split like this. The sharp splitting blade and powerful hydraulic system are the keys to creating any effective wood splitter. These logs have diameters up to 3 feet. Watch this box wedge splitter cut them into fireplace-sized pieces in the blink of an eye. If you sell firewood bundles, this is the splitter that you must have to maximize your time and profit. This man is operating a continuous wood cutting machine. Speaking of efficiency, this wood cutter certainly ranks at the top. two giant saw blades and a supporting shaft system work continuously, feeding long logs in and on the other side. Perfectly sized firewood pieces are conveyed out. This is not just a log splitter. This is a destruction machine. With 75 tons of force, it can handle the largest logs with ease. Custom design according to customer requirements, ensuring superior performance. This machine is demonstrating its highly efficient wood cutting and splitting capabilities. The horizontal design with a support rack can accommodate long logs. The log is placed in, and the integrated cutting and splitting system processes it quickly. Layers of firewood pieces are created and transported to the packaging area via conveyor belt. The design of this machine is very modern, and if you split a lot of wood, consider getting one right away. The logs cut directly with a chainsaw provide flexibility for the operator. This homemade wood splitter is demonstrating its optimal effectiveness. The split logs are immediately transferred to a cart. Smart design always helps increase productivity significantly. This is one of the most interesting homemade wood splitters. Nothing but a splitting blade rotating around an axis slowly and steadily. But its power is unbeatable. You place the log in its path and crack, your log will be instantly split in half. Cool, isn't it? Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.